Hello and welcome back to Lavender Polish. Today we're going to be taking a look at this little Christmas inspired nail art design, so let's jump right into it. I'm starting out with Sally Hansen's Golden Eye. Now this is a polish that I've had forever, so it is very thick and it goes on in one coat at this point. I'm not sure if that's normally the case for Golden Eye, but as I've had this since literally middle school, it goes on lovely for me. As you can see, it's a beautiful golden metallic. And actually Sally Hansen, especially their extreme wear line, is an incredibly affordable and decently good quality brand for anyone who's looking to expand their collection. Seriously, these polishes are like $2 each, and as you can see, not bad at all. Anyways, as I'm going to be using some striping tape, I'm putting on Essie's Speed Setter. This top coat is just one that I'm using sort of in the meantime as I try and find out a good top coat for me. It's decent, it works great over one coats like this, but it's not too good on glitters, I've noticed. Anyway, as you can see, I'm taking some striping tape and placing it diagonally on my nail about 2/3 of the way down. I'm then taking Essie's Forever Yummy, which is a gorgeous gummy red polish that I think just screams Christmas. It is usually opaque in one coat, but as you can see, it is letting just a little bit of gold peek through here, which I actually thought added sort of an extra golden metallic touch to it. As you can see, I just went in with my big brush to fill in all the middle parts, and I'm going in with a small brush from Twinkle Tea to fill in the outlines and make sure that I don't cross the striping tape. Also by Essie, I'm using Off Tropic, which is this really gorgeous deep dark green color. And usually I don't think you'd see such a dark color in a Christmas design, but I felt like the darkness in this one really just balanced out the brightness from Forever Yummy, and I think it created a really nice balanced look. Sorry for my thumb blocking the entire shot. Essie is actually probably my favorite cream brand. I'm still sort of going between a couple, but Essie is definitely up there for me. They're not too expensive and a lot of their stuff goes on in one coat. Anyways, once you finish with the bottom, you can go ahead and peel off the striping tape. As you can see, we've got this nice sharp golden line dividing up our two colors. I quickly went in with a cleaner brush because I was not being too neat this time, and then finished it off with a beautiful glossy top coat. Once again, using Essie's Speed Setter. Unfortunately, I just didn't love how it looked. It did smear a little bit, of course only on the nail that I was recording. And I really just wasn't too sure about it, something was missing for me, so I ended up going with a matte top coat, which I think fixed all of my issues. It made it look velvety and peaceful and very Christmassy. I feel like for Christmas, you've got to either commit to glitter or you've got to commit to no shine at all. You know, you've either got the bright or the soft. You gotta make a decision. This is my decision. We're going for a soft Christmas here. And this is how it turned out. Please let me know what you guys think and if you plan on creating something like this yourself. And tell me what your holiday plans are. What are you guys doing? What do you celebrate? I'd love to hear. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye!